Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel's In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to make chocolate zucchini bread. Remember last week or the week before we made zucchini bread using coconut cream pudding? Well, today we're going to try it with chocolate. So come on, let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now, we need 3 cups of flour, and I did buy another bag of all-purpose so that way we can see if they don't fall in the middle. That's 1. 2, 3 cups of flour, we need 3 cups of sugar, one, 2, 3 cups of sugar, one and a half teaspoons of cinnamon, one and a half teaspoons of baking soda, two teaspoons of baking powder. See, the last time, remember, I used the self-rising and I didn't have to put in the baking powder. A half a teaspoon of cocoa powder. And then 1 large box of chocolate pudding. You can use the instant or the cooked, it doesn't matter. Now we're going to mix this all together. I think this is going to be good. I just wish I had some chocolate chips to go with to add to it, but I don't. Okay. Move some of this stuff out of my road. So now, in our blender, the lid on this blender is so hard. We need to add 3 cups of shredded zucchini, and depending on the size of your zucchini, like mine was 2 medium-sized zucchinis. Two cups of zucchini. 1 cup of oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you want. I'm using vegetable. We need 2 eggs. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now I'm going to take this over to the blender and blend it up, and I will be right back. Okay, we got our zucchini and everything blended. Now we're going to add our wet to our dry. And we're going to mix this all together. Now I did go ahead and grease and flour the loaf pans, and instead of making 2 medium size and 1 large, I'm just going to go ahead and make 2 large. this smells good. That nice chocolate. Now you know this dough is stiff. But you want to make sure everything is incorporated. Okay, let me get the chopped nuts. So we got the chopped nuts. I'm just going to add them, what I had left. And we're going to mix them in. Like I said, I think adding chocolate chips in with the nuts would give it a good flavor, a good combination. But I don't have any chocolate chips, so, but that's okay. Divide our dough. Make sure that it's spread in the pan evenly. Now we're going to put these in our 350-degree oven. And we're going to bake these for 1 hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. And these are 9x5 loaf pans. So I will bring you guys back when they come out of the oven and they're cooled. So guys, this is what it looks like. It's cooled. I had all intentions of, wow, my hair's doing something wild now. Had all intentions of giving one of these loaves to my neighbors like I always do. But actually, I like this so well that I'm going to wrap the extra one up and I'm going to put it in the freezer so I will have it later. But right now, let's do a taste test for you guys because I already tasted it. And this is the same recipe as the last zucchini bread. The only thing I changed out was the pudding. And I changed it from the coconut cream to the chocolate. And I'm going to tell you now, I actually love the chocolate one better than I do the one with the coconut cream. I mean, look at it. It is so good. And you know, I know like in Mexico, they add cinnamon to their chocolate. And there is a reason, because the cinnamon brings out the taste of the chocolate so good. Y'all, make this and make the chocolate. It is so good. And like I said, I followed the other recipe. The only difference is I changed the pudding. But this is so good. It is so moist. And it's just delicious. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button down below. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wishlist and our PayPal account in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.